Okay guys, remember last week when I said I was gonna turn this into $1,000 trading forex? Well, it's funny to say that the first attempt didn't exactly go as planned. Just like I said in the past video, if I fail this challenge, I'm going to start over from scratch. So I deposited another $1 into the Cent account. But this time around, I have a different plan. I will change the current plan, which is what blew the account in just one trade. But am I giving up on this challenge? Definitely not. I should at least try like 5 times before I can consider maybe giving up or to continue. Let's think about it. Why did I lose the first $1 in the first one trade? Well, it's clearly because I was risking it all. I was going full margin with just 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now, this is how some people love to trade, and it's working for them because maybe their win rate is high. But I guess it's definitely not for me, especially for a challenge like this. Catching 10 winning trades in a row without losing a single one is like expecting Ronaldo to score 10 goals in a row without missing one single shot. Impossible, isn't it? But since I knew it was impossible from the beginning, then why did I boldly say I will do it? Why? Statistically, not even the best traders in the world have a 100% win rate. And if your plan relies on winning every single trade, then you're just setting yourself up to fail. Now, here is the thing about forex trading. It's all about constant learning, as you know, right? Losses are just tuition fees in the school of the market. Now it's time for a change of plan. I'm saying goodbye to the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio and going back to my normal faithful strategy, which is the 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you know, with 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, it basically means you are risking 1 to gain 3. That means I don't need to win all my trades, just 1 out of every 3 of them to be profitable. The next thing is, I'll only be risking 1/3 of my account per trade. That way, if I win any trade, my account doubles. And if I lose, I still have 2 chances left. You are a trader too. You know. You definitely know. You know this is the best way. My normal trading style gives me more breathing room, reduces my chances of blowing the account in one single trade, and also lets me grow the $1 gradually into something significant. But there is one downside about it too, which is what led me to the 1-to-1 risk to reward plan at first. Actually, it gets to the 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but not all the time. Sometimes it gets to the middle and then reverses again. And this is what every trader would tell you they hate the most in trading. For those who are new to forex trading, let's talk about what a risk to reward ratio actually means. In simple terms, it's how much you're willing to risk for every dollar you aim to gain. With 1-to-1 risk to reward, you risk $1 to make $1. But with 3-to-1 risk to reward, you risk $1 to make $3. Now, considering the fact that you can't win every single trade you take, it's either you win 50% or 60% of the time. And that's if you have a good win rate. Now do the math to know which risk to reward will yield the best result. Think of it this way. With the 1-to-1 risk to reward, you will need to win 10 trades in a row, risking everything along the way to reach the $1,000 target. But with 3-to-1 risk to reward, you will still get to the 1K target with the same 10 winning trades, but it will only take a little bit longer. And the best part is, with 3-to-1 risk to reward, you'll be able to divide your balance into 3, risking only 1/3 of it on each trade, which means you need to lose 3 times before blowing the account. When you lose, it gives you 2 more chances to try again. It's a good math and it makes way more sense. But let me tell you this one thing. Sticking to 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio as your trading strategy or trading plan requires discipline. And if you've traded forex before, you know that being a disciplined trader is not as easy as it sounds. It takes a while. Believe me, it takes a while. You know what? But it's not a big deal, since that's trading for you. That's what trading is all about. It's tough and it's unpredictable. Sometimes you feel like the market is out to get you. The key is to stay calm, stick to your plan, and keep going. You'll get there. So to everyone watching, don't let losses scare you. Whether you are trading, starting a business, or chasing any big dream, just know that setbacks are part of the journey. What matters the most is how you bounce back when you fall. As for me, I don't let losses or setbacks weigh me down because I've had a ton of them, but I'm always motivated and determined to achieve what I want. And if you're also struggling with trading just like me, then we are birds of the same feathers. So please smash that subscribe button to support your boy, because trust me, you don't want to miss what happens next in this challenge. Well, whatever happens, win it or lose it, is still interesting. Now, good question. Can I really turn this $1 into $1,000? Or will the market humble me again? Well, I'll try my best no matter what it takes. A lot of lessons to be learned along the way. If I can achieve this goal of turning $1 into $1,000, then with the same method and strategy, I can also turn $1,000 into 1 million. The difference is the numbers. The pattern remains the same. This is why you need to master your trading art, because by then, a lot of impossible things becomes possible. You can do a lot with your trading skill if you are really good at it. Most of the times, success comes by just doing something for fun, or just doing what you love. Go and ask all the successful people in the world and they will tell you. See you in the next video. I'll update you what happens next. Remember, trade smart, not desperate. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button right on your screen. Also give the video a thumbs up. Don't leave without smashing that button, and make sure you come back because it's gonna be interesting really soon.